Welcome to Growth Reality Check, where mindset turns into momentum.
Everyone wants to be productive.
But the truth? You don't need to do more. You need to stop doing what's killing your time. The first killer: constant notifications. Every ping breaks your focus and resets your brain for 23 minutes. Turn off all non-essential alerts. Productivity starts with silence. The second killer: multitasking. You're not doing two things at once. You're doing both badly. Your brain isn't built for split attention. Focus on one task, finish it, move on. The third killer: saying yes to everything. Every unnecessary commitment steals energy from what matters. Learn to say no. That's where real productivity begins. The fourth killer: not planning your day. Waking up without a plan is like starting a road trip with no map. Start your day with 5 minutes of clarity. Write down your top 3 tasks. The fifth killer: perfectionism. It stalls progress. You think you're refining, but really you're hiding. Progress, perfection. Get it done, then get it better. You're not lazy. You're just distracted, overwhelmed, and unstrategic. Most people lose 3 to 4 hours a day to distraction loops. They just don't track it. Want results? Audit your time like your life depends on it. Real productivity starts when you subtract the BS. No app or hack will save you. Only ruthless clarity and action will. Comment "focus mode on" if you're ready to remove distractions. Keep your mind strong, your goals sharp, and your grind consistent. Stay motivated, keep growing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Growth Reality Check family.